Hello, here we are back at 4SP Cycles. Happy New Year, everyone. This is the first bike of the year that we picked up. It's a 2000 Suzuki SV650. The odometer has some miles on it. Not sure how many are on the motor. It sounds good. No knocks, no rattles, no abnormal noises. The transmission shifts fine. But on the odometer, as you can see, we have 45,749. And I'll start it up for you in a minute. Just want to do a walk around. So there's very light damage done to this bike. The clutch perch is broke, and there's a couple little dents here and there on the tank. Overall, it was pretty light damage. I'm not sure what kind of windscreen this is. I don't know if somebody custom made it or what the case is, or if they modified something. But here, there's some kind of windscreen that comes with this bike. We will most likely part it out. There's a little bit of damage to the radiator here. I might be able to fix it, not 100% sure. I do believe one of the rotors is bent. I'll find out when I put it on the balancer. The brake pedal's broke. It does have a Micron exhaust. The seats are in good condition. There's an aftermarket seat. I'm not sure if that's a Corbin or what it is, but I'll take a look when I get it apart. Overall it looks in pretty decent condition. The shifter's a little bit bent. The bar and mirrors broke off. Other than that, it's all right. So let me start it up for you so you can listen to it. And what I had to do, since the perch is broke, I had to jump out the clutch switch to get it to start. So as you can see, it runs and sounds good. I test drove it around the block. Like I said, there is a rotor catching in the front. It's probably bent just a little bit. The bike performs well, like it should. I don't know how many miles are on the motor. It could have been rebuilt at one time, but it runs good, pulls good, and sounds good. If you need any parts from this bike, or if you're interested in purchasing the whole bike, please give us a call, 610-521-9444. Or you can find parts available for sale at 4acp.com, which is our eBay store, and we have probably about 10 or 15 SV650s and many other bikes on there, Hayabusas, ZX14s, so on and so forth. So give us a call if you're looking for anything. Thank you very much.